Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to present Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 October-November database part. So it says here that you are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure that all currency value display the same currency symbol and are set to 2 decimal places. Examine the file N2302vgames.csv and identify the most appropriate field to set as a key field. Close this file. So we'll go to desktop, go to our file, and this is our file as they mentioned. So we need to select one of them as our primary key. I think so. This one, game code, can be our primary key. Right, close this one now. We do not save it. And now we open Access, Microsoft Access. We create a blank database. So I will just say 2023, October, November. We'll go to desktop, to our folder, database created. Close this file and import the file as they mention the name, desktop, games. Next, first row contains field name. Next, and now check the data types as they mention. So the data types are text, number, and text, text, number, text. Then again number, text. So number, text, then number and number. That's fine. And then after, what we need to do is we just need to click on OK and then next and choose the primary key. This is gonna be our primary key. Close. So this is our database file. Now go to design view and make the changes accordingly. Rank we want with 0 decimal places. 0 decimal place. Release year, we also want it to be 0 decimal place. Then we want global sales with 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places, and then we want 2 decimal places as a currency. Price is gonna be currency with 2 decimal places. Save and view. This is how our document will look like. Fine. Our table. Close this one, save the changes, and let's follow the next instruction. Place in your evidence document screenshot of the field name and data type and primary key used in this table. Right click, design view, take screenshot of the table name with the data types and place it as evidence 16 in your evidence document. Now you need to import one more file, N2302 platform. So close this one, get an external file, platforms. First row contains the field name. Next, and I think so all the data is supposed to be text, and we'll just check now if there is something else. That's it. Next, and this time they mention here that platform, set it as your primary key. Platform. Finish. The table is imported. Now take the screenshot of this one as well with the field name and data types. design view, and take the screenshot of it as well and place it as your evidence 17. Now you need to create one-to-many relationship between platform in the platforms tables and platform in the games table. So close this one, database tools, relationship, add the two tables, platform with platform, one-to-many relationship, enforce referential integrity, and now take the screenshot of it that you have created a relationship between them as evidence 18. Relationship evidence is done. Now in the games table, locate the record with the game code AC0105. Close, yes. Right click in which table they mention, in the games table. Right click and open and search here something called AC105. AC105. This one. Now what we need to do is, rank is 455. We change this one to 455. The year is 2022. Release year is 2022. And then the January is action. Action. Done. Click on save now and move forward and open the table and add the new record in the same table. So new record, you need to enter the data. So the game title is Sprinter. Then the rank is 134. Then it's AC149. Then it's GT. Then the year is 199. And then it is action. And as they mentioned, Lovina space interactive, and then it's 6.230, and then it is 112.80. Done. Save this one, close that, and then now you need to produce a tabular report from both the table. So before the report, I need to create a query from both the table games and platform. Next, and I'm gonna call this one as step number 21, and let's modify now. As they say, this should include the title, include sport. So put a star and sport, just like that. And the release year is 2022 or later. So greater than or equal to 2011. And then let's run first. So these are the records that we have. It includes sport. Now show only the fields, rank, and so on. So design view, we need to show rank. So January title, game title we want, game code we don't want. January, we don't want this one. We want year release, January, then we don't want the game publisher, and console name we don't want. We want actually console name in this order, and the rest of the fields we really don't need them, so we just uncheck them. Save and run. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with the data and label display field. Do not group the data. Sort the data into ascending order of air release. So air release is here. Air release. Sort into ascending order as I mentioned. That's it. Save, close, and click on this one to produce the report by using report wizard. So first should be rank, that January title, then we need the release here, January, and we want global sale and then console name. Next, no grouping, ascending order is done. We want this one to be portrait, fit to single, and then we should have this one as the title of our report, the larger size, and then finish. It's done. Now we just right click and layout view to fix some of the data. As you can see, we don't want this much space for this data at least, so we can arrange our data here in this way. Still some data is not displaying here, so let's move this one towards our right, this one here further, and just we click here to increase the size of our field to show all the data clearly visible. This is done. The rank is visible. Yeah, that's all. Now the data is clearly visible, and then we need to include our center number and candidate number on the report. So they did not mention on every page of the report or just on the report, so we can have the report footer here, and we can include a label here which will have our name, center number, and candidate number. Let me just type this one capital like this. Now right click and print preview. This is how our document will, our report will look like. So close, save. This report is done. Now you need to print it out, and moving forward to the last report, they again said you need to produce a report from both the tables. So again create a query using both the tables, platform and video games. Next, this is our step number 22. Finish. Now they are looking for January is action or adventure. So January is adventure or action. So you can say here action or adventure as they mentioned, and then rank is 200 or less. So less than or equal to 200. Save and run. So the January is right now we have action or adventure, and the rank is less than 200. So design view again, contain a new field called discount price. So we need to include a new field here. Just click here, click on builder, and this is going to do what? This field will display the new price after 5% discount has been applied. So use price multiplied by 95 and divided by 100. So price multiplied by 95. So we have the price here, price multiplied by 95 and then divide by 100, and just say divide by 100. Make sure you put the brackets here. Done. And now you type here the name of the field. So save and run. So when you go to the end, you will get the discount price. This discount price should be format as currency. So design view, click here, property sheet. You will format it as a currency, and then this should be 3 decimal places, I guess. So as they mention here, set the currency to 2 decimal places throughout they mention. So I'm going to change this one to decimal places 2, save and run. This is how it's going to be displayed now. Move back, show only the fields now. So design view, we need to show only the fields. That is generate title. So we don't want anything else. Generate title, it's here, generate title. So we have the generate title, then we want rank. So rank is here, then we want January, we have it. Then console name, we need the console name. Publisher, we don't need this one. Year release, this one we don't need. Game code, we don't need. So year release and game publisher as they mentioned. Price and discount price. So we definitely want price, discount price, and global sales we don't want. And let's go this side, year release, we definitely need the release year. So year release we need it. Now run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are missing with something called console name. So we want the console name, which is here somewhere. Yes, we have to look for it. The console name. Yes. Save, and then they ask us to put this sort into descending order of January and ascending order of rank. So we have the January here, rank should be ascending, and January should be descending as they mentioned. Yes. After this, just click on save and close this one. Now click on your report, create a report now, and include the fields as they mentioned. First of all, we need the game title, then we need the rank, then we need the January, then we need the game console name, year release, then we need the game publisher, then price and discount price. Next, and modify. Put this one into the landscape as they said, and the title is going to be this one. So next, this is going to be our title, and finish. Let's right click on it and layout view. So if something is missing, at least we can fix it, like this one. Yeah, we don't need this space for the January, so we can reduce this space actually by adding other stuff. So it's like this now. Yeah. Is anything missing here? Yes. So we just need to maximize the size of this one. Yeah, this title should be clearly visible. All the titles. price, we can align it left, and we can make this one as like this. Now click on save, and the next step they mention here, calculate the earliest released year and place this below the year release column at the end of the report. So calculate the earliest year release, the latest release. So right click, design view, layout view, and then you just click on the year release. So right click, and we can just simply select from here year release the max. So the year release, the max is 2021. Now right click, set a caption as they mentioned, earliest release. So we can just mention here earliest release, and then our name and center number on every page. So design view, and get a label from here. In the page footer, we will just type here our name, center number, and candidate number. Save, and as they mention here that we need to take a screenshot of the formula. So this formula screenshot should be taken just like this, and then take a screenshot of this one as our formula, and this is your evidence 22. Save, and then after you just quickly save on it, and the report is ended. So that's all from the database part of this question paper. So hope you have learned about how to produce reports and how to import the files to the database and the other stuff related to the question paper. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.